Here we are, top of the Rendezvous Headwall. Got some crazy views out here. It's about a 20-30 minute hike to get up here. Not for the faint of heart. Looks little tracked out today. Let's check it out. Oh man, still some pow in here. Wow. Oh man, that is nice.
So what's the biggest benefit to this hike to terrain? It's less tracked snow than everywhere else at the resort. It hadn't snowed in days at Jackson Hole when we recorded this run, but there's still some untracked lines, and the snow conditions here are still quite a bit better than elsewhere on the mountain. When conditions are good, you're in for some absolutely phenomenal powder down these hike 2 runs. As you might be able to see, it's fairly technical down here. There's some trees in this area, and there's some steep, narrow lines. However, this is nowhere near as difficult as the most extreme terrain Jackson Hole has to offer. If you're looking for the most technical terrain, doing this 20-minute hike and then getting to the top and doing this might be a bit disappointing. What this hike is really good for is getting some of that untouched snow when other parts of the resort are tracked out. It's also good if you really want to see those phenomenal views from the top of Rendezvous. It is worth noting that Jackson Hole already has some of the best snow of any resort we've been to, and scores near the top of our snow quality ratings. So on a typical core season day here, you're still going to get great snow around the resort, even without doing the hike.